I crack an egg into the bowl. Just like that.
I put oil in the pan. Now it's ready for cooking. This soup is delicious.
I think it needs a little more salt.
I peel an onion. I pull the skin off slowly. The skin stays on the plate. I add salt. This will make it taste delicious. I slice tomatoes. Slice, slice, slice into the bowl.
I cut the vegetables. Now, let's add them to the bowl. There we go. I open fridge. I get the milk. Milk is good for you. I close fridge. I wash vegetables. Scrub them nice and clean. All ready now? I drink milk. It's good for your bones. It has lots of calcium. Delicious. You should try it. I pour water into glass. The glass is full now. You can do it too. I eat meal. I eat meal. I eat meal. I eat meal. I rinse dishes. First, I scrub with a sponge. Then, I rinse it clean. I dry dishes. Wipe it clean. Now, on the rack. I boil water. I pour the hot water into the bowl. And there we go. I turn on stove. First, turn the knob. Now it is on. I turn on stove. Now you try. I clear the table. First, I put the fork down. Then I carry the plates to the counter. All clean. I hold a spoon. I tap it on the bowl. Then I stir, stir, stir. Cooking is so much fun. I take out vegetables. I put them in the bowl. Now they are ready. I make green salad. First, I mix it gently. Then, I serve some on the plate. And it's ready to eat. Enjoy. I cook tasty rice. Delicious. Stir it gently for perfect rice. Cooking is so much fun. I store food. I put the milk on the top shelf. And the vegetables go in the middle. Now it's all organized. I make dinner. It smells so good. Let's see how it tastes. Perfect! Dinner is ready.